Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. White color, silver color, red color, blue color, yellow color, pink color, sky blue color, black color, green color, orange color, purple color, brown color, pink color, and light green color. So kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use light green color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D and use purple color. Sorry kids, pink color. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G and use orange color. G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use black color. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M and use yellow color. M. M for moon. N for nose. O. O for octopus. Kids, now you draw P and use blue color. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use light pink color. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Kids, now you draw W and use green color. W. W for wallet. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use brown color. 1, 2, 3. Kids, now you draw 4 and use sky blue color. 4, 5, 6, 7. Kids, now you draw 8 and use red color. 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.